Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been super uninspired for the last painting and I was feeling a little under the weather from a bout of bronchitis, so this piece took a while to finish. But I'm glad I powered through it because I'm actually quite happy with this painting. Nothing new, but I think it's got to be one of the most elaborate blurry pieces that I've painted thus far. I think the next few pieces might still be on the blurry theme or a light in motion piece. This style appeals to me, inspired by my bad eyesight of course. A complete roadhazard and contributing factor to the stereotype of Asians who can't drive. And no, I'm adamant on not fixing my vision. Everything looks a lot better blurry, including my reflection. All the pores, wrinkles, and fine lines are smoothened out. It's like having an automatic Instagram filter on when you look at yourself in the mirror. I live for delusion and denial. But vanity reasons aside, I feel blurry paintings or pictures have a certain charm to it as it leaves room for interpretation, inviting viewers to engage with the image on a deeper level. By obscuring details and softening edges, blurriness encourages viewers to fill in the gaps with their own imagination. This ambiguity adds layers of meaning to the image, sparking curiosity and inviting viewers to unravel its hidden nuances. The soft dreamlike quality of blurry images imbues them with a sense of nostalgia, melancholy, or romanticism. By blurring the boundaries between reality and imagination, blurry photos tap into universal emotions, resonating with viewers on a deeply personal level. It also harkens back to the days of film photography and vintage snapshots. Like faded Polaroids or old family albums, the softness and imperfections of blurry photos mimic the haziness of memory itself, inviting viewers to reminiscence and reflect on moments gone by. In a world that often feels overwhelming and chaotic, blurry paintings offer a moment of respite and escape. The soft and focused quality of the image can be soothing to the eye, providing a sense of calm and tranquility, encouraging viewers to slow down and appreciate the beauty in simplicity, offering a welcome break from the relentless pursuit of clarity and precision. Anyway, to paint it blurry is a lot easier than it looks. Simply blend all the edges by mixing both the colors and blend it in the middle till it becomes a gradient. This piece took hours to finish, so I hope you like it as much as I do. It's also listed on Etsy. Prints are available on Redbubble. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
I'm flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool, and yeah, maybe that's true. 'Cause I can't stop thinking about you. To forget my words, 'cause when I'm around you, I tend to keep changing my mind. I promised myself not to slip back into old habit, 'cause heartbreak is savage and love is a bitch. I'm flying.